Can it take off PVC glue? Well, we're about to find out. Here we go. I've had this stuff in my garage for a while and I've used it on a ton of different projects around the house, and it is some medium black ABS cement. I have some red hot glue as well as some purple primer, and well, there you have it. It is all over my hands. I'm gonna set a timer to show you how long I let this stuff sit on my hands, but I'm also gonna use our hand wipes to show you how well they work to take this stuff off if it's still tacky on your skin. Now, before using our ultra heavy duty soap here at the 2-minute marker, I did wipe my hand with a paper towel to remove as much glue as I could first. But there you have it. I'm gonna get right into washing my hands. Now, this is some gnarly stuff when you get it on your skin. And I'll be honest, the soap doesn't break the glue down so much as just like the scrub brush and the soap really helped loosen it up and flaked it off my skin. So it did work awesome. If you guys are dealing with this type of stuff, I recommend keeping our hand wipes and our ultra heavy duty soap around, as well as one of those scrub brushes, and it should help you clean up after a long, hard day.